Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to connect your Ford F-150 garage door opener. First, make sure your truck's ignition is on, but the engine is off. You'll need your original garage door remote, so check its battery to ensure a strong signal. If you're starting fresh or want to clear old settings, simply press and hold the two outer home link buttons for about 20 seconds until the indicator light flashes rapidly. This prepares your system for new programming. Now let's pair your remote. Hold your garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons in your F-150. Choose which home link button you want to program. Then, simultaneously press and hold both your garage remote button and the chosen home link button. Keep holding them until the home link indicator light changes. It will go from a slow blink to either a rapid flash or a solid light, indicating the signal has been learned. Then, you can release both buttons. If your home link indicator light flashed rapidly after the initial pairing, you likely have a rolling code garage door system, which requires an extra step. Head to your garage door opener motor and locate its Learn or Smart button. Press and release this button. You'll then have about 20 to 30 seconds to return to your F-150. Once back in your truck, press and release the home link button you just programmed up to 3 times, holding it for 2 seconds each time, until your garage door begins to move. After completing the programming, it's time to test it out. Press the home link button you just programmed to confirm your garage door opens and closes as expected. If it doesn't work, don't worry. Simply repeat the programming steps from the beginning. A common issue is a weak signal, so always ensure your original remote has a fresh battery. Also, try positioning your F-150 closer to the garage door during the programming process for the best signal reception. You'll be opening your garage with ease in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.